puppet theatre. Where's the puppet box? Here it is. They open the box. Puppets! Puppets! Lots of puppets! Oh dear! We need Mr. Fix-It. Mr. Fix-It looks at the puppets.
Now, let's see.
It's got 2 arms and 1 red leg. We need 1 red leg. Here it is! Look! It's a dog! It's got 4 legs and a body. Here's the head. Everyone fixes the puppets. Here's a puppet. Here are the legs. Here's the body. And here's the head. Fred's got an idea. 8 legs. 1 head. Lots of hair. Fred makes a fantastic puppet. Wow!